Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Engineer. Today we will draw this 2D sketch into Fusion 360 sketch environment. So let's get started. So in this drawing we will draw this first circle, these four circle of radii R15, these two R15 and these two R20. So make sure this is a units setting is a metric and create a sketch. We will choose any plane. I will select front plane, then circle select, make any dia and press D for dimension, right click, radius 15, one more circle of radius 15. First we will create all circle. So these two circle are equal, make constant using equal constant, and these two circle are equal of radius 20. So make this press D for dimension, right click, radius 20. Okay, now constant these make horizontal and these two circle vertical, and we will draw this line. Okay, make we will dimension this between these two circle 100 distance, press D for dimension, and this dia between 60 mm. Okay, we will make we will create a line, construction line, to make this symmetric vertical line. Now we will use symmetry constraint. Select the object and make this construction line to symmetry about x-axis, about this line. Okay, I will delete this line. Again draw a vertical line, construction to symmetry, make this. Now we will draw line, turn off the construction and connect their circles. Now we will tangent these lines to circle using tangent command. Make this sketch fully defined. Now we will use trim command to trim this unnecessary part. Now our drawing is created. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Design Engineered, and I will see you in the next video.